brothers, Marlon and Ricky May, submit themselves to you in this holy matrimony. Let this
And the two shall become one flesh. So then, they are no longer two, but one flesh. Therefore, what God has joined together, let not man separate. 1 Corinthians 13, 3-8. I may give away everything I have to help others, and I may even give my body as an offering to be burned. But I gain nothing by doing all this if I don't have love. Love is patient, love is kind, love is not envious or boastful or arrogant or rude. It does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable or resentful.
Wedded wife to have her own código.
First of all, very good God as our witness. I, Marlon, choose you, my wife, for life. Together, babe, will face the ups and downs, always by each other's side. I offer you my hand and heart as a safe haven filled with love and serenity. I promise to be honest, faithful, and loving husband for the rest of my days. I vow to always fight for you, protect you from harm, and always take good care of you. Even though na I might be sometimes na bulaw, but doesn't mean na I didn't love. I really, really love you from bottom of my heart. And always lang ba yung kunti-kunti, be careful. Kaya ka jo, I don't want any harm. Remember, Takilang Adjo will really love you until my final days.
Ricky May, do you take Marlon to be your lawful husband, to have and to hold him in sickness and in health, for poorer or to richer, to joy and sorrow? Only death can separate you.
Yes, Pastor.
Ricky May, declare your marriage vow to Marlon in the midst of these witnesses.
Marlon, my babe, my love. You know, I thank God each and every day that He blessed me with someone like you. Although I didn't ask or I didn't search for any. I thank Him for letting you come into my life and bless me with being your wife. Today, in that way, I know that we can love each other more than anyone else. Thank you for everything, babe. Countless things you've done. Thank you for your patience, for your continuous grief, and for waiting for me. I promise to do the same for you. I will do my best to be a peaceful side for you, to take care of you and our future family. To support, to honor and respect you, and be submissive as your wife. I love you till the end of time, till death do us part.
The reason why I asked you to write your vows, hindi ako nabigay na gayahin yung sinasabi ko. It's just because you of your love, vows for each other. In the coming days, you will also be wearing the enduring. And after the enduring, definitely you will be prosperous. naman talaga because you're just coming together. It's two hearts. Ano? Kunin mo yung sinibibigay mo kay Ricky May. Ito, pwede ako magsabi na pwede mong sabihin sa kanya. Ricky May, ilagay mo sa kanya.
Ricky May.
Ay, sorry, yung sinabi mo, ano yung tawag mo sa kanya?
Babe.
O di yung mas maganda yung babe.
Babe.
With this ring, I marry you.
With this ring I marry.
Wear this ring as a symbol of my love to you.
Wear this ring as a symbol of my love.
May this ring remind us that there is forever in us.
Let this ring remind us that there is forever in us.
With God's grace,
With God's grace.
in the center of our marriage.
In
The center of our marriage.
the center of our marriage.
I love you.
I love you.
Dapat sila sa hawak ng
Ikaw din.
Kaya si Maris.
Anong tawag mo sa kanya?
Babe,
O the babe then. Marlon, my husband,
Marlon, my husband,
wear this ring as a symbol of my love
wear this ring as a symbol of my love
and my devotion to you.
and my devotion to you.
May this ring remind you
May this ring remind you
that you have
that you
forever
have
in me.
forever in me.
I am your stronger supporter.
I am your stronger supporter.
I will be your defense,
I will be your defense,
supporter
supporter
in all your endeavors. In all your endeavors,
in all your endeavors.
I will be on your side.
I will be on your side.
Yes,
Yes,
by God's grace,
by God's grace,
there is forever in us.
there is forever in us.
I love you.
I love you, babe.
The cord symbolizes the bond of love you share, as is chapter 4, verse 12, that says, two people can resist. Brothers and sisters, let me present to you Mr. and Mrs. Marlon and Ricky May. Marlon, you may now kiss your wife. Ricky May, you may now kiss your husband. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Marlon to.